Alrighty guys, what is up? We are back at Six Flags Great Adventure. Definitely has been a while since I've last been at this park. So yeah, I actually wasn't here all last week just because I was at Maury's Piers for Coast by the Ocean, which was a great event, by the way. Definitely going back there again next year. And also, Great Adventure has been teasing a lot for 2019, just saying like it's going to be a really, really big announcement. It's going to be really cool, so I'm super excited about that. But yeah, it's National Roller Coaster Day today, and I'm pretty excited to be back at Great Adventure. I'll also be here Saturday with Neil, but today we're meeting up with Jason and possibly Sean. So yeah, Jason's over by, I think, Garden State Grill right now. Just gonna go meet up with him over there. It's gonna be pretty exciting today. And yeah, so we'll see you guys once we meet up with Jason. Alright guys, we are back. We're here with Jason from New Jersey Coasters. It's definitely been a while since he's last been in a video. I think it might have been Seaside Screams he was last in a video. So yeah, how's your day been so far here at the park?
Pretty mediocre.
Yeah, mediocre, dude. Tell me about it. Anyway, though, so right.
Six Flags.
Yeah. So right now we're heading over to Flash Pass headquarters. Oh, let's see what.
They make you pay $40 for a freaking game park just to get these cool like spray bottles.
Oh yeah, I remember you were talking about that last time we were here 2 weeks ago. And it looks they look really nice. I'm gonna be honest with you. So also, Sky Screamer's back open. Had like another little incident the other day, but
GP will be commenting. Oh my gosh, it's so unsafe.
Dude, I hate the GP so much. Like, I understand there's GP watching, but you guys actually got to get your shit together, okay? Like, I just honestly, seriously, come on. But yeah, so right now we're heading over to Flash Pass headquarters to get our skip the line passes for Justice League. They also have this Food and Brew Festival going on. I don't know what is this about. You know what it's about?
Beer and like bar food.
Okay.
And tons of live music.
That's cool. Live music is nice. So yeah, you got the empanada guy, food truck over there. You got
Macho Nacho.
Oh yeah, isn't that from Hurricane Harbor?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's cool, I guess, for like adults and stuff. You know. I don't like how they have that stage over by Joker. I'm not really a fan of that.
They had that during July 4th Fest.
Oh yeah, they did. You're right.
But they had a nicer one.
They had a much nicer one.
It was actually wood and everything. That's just like a structured trailer.
Yeah.
It's because of John Winkler.
I'm not a fan of John Winkler. I don't think he's really not a good park president. But yeah. So I mean, it's a nice little area of the park. Not actually.
The only thing good he gave us was Wicked Cyclone. He also gave us Superman's horrible restraints.
Yeah. He really hates the enthusiasts. But yeah, so we're going to Flash Pass headquarters. We'll see you guys once we get our skip the line passes. Alright guys, we're about to get on Cyborg Cyberspin. Pretty excited. Jason, you're actually Mr. Cyborg. Yeah, so I'm Mr. Justice League, he's Mr. Cyborg. But we're getting on the ride right now, and I just love the line for this ride. Like the queue covering and all like the shrubbery and everything looks great. So yeah, we're gonna get on the ride and I'll give my thoughts once we get off. Alright guys, we're over by Nitro, and you can actually see there's a crane over here where Cell Block 6 is. So I actually saw this on Jason's Instagram on your story. And yes, there is Cell Block 6's entrance over there, and if you don't know what that is, it was a maze that they have for Fright Fest. I did it last year. It's actually a really good maze, but you can see right over here, they're tearing down the entrance, and you have this giant crane over here.
Cyborg Cycle right now.
Oh yeah, they're getting a lot of hang time over there. But yeah, you also see like there's flags over here. I'm not sure what these are for, but it's just something to take note of.
That's piping. They're already doing piping. Like Hollywood Studios got all these markers over here. We're all for like a new ride. I'm like, no, there's piping. Literally, that's what those red flags are for.
Yeah, I know what that is because my dad does a lot of construction and that type of stuff.
Look, pipes go right through here.
Yeah.
Look, they used to go where that was.
Oh yeah, I remember that. But yeah, this is just something to take note of over here, where they possibly could be adding a 2019 attraction. Apparently it's gonna be really big. I think we're gonna have the ride that's called Max Force. But yeah, there's a lot of cool names that they have on the survey.
I'd rather it be some DC theme, just because it would fit in Movie Town more.
Yeah, I really hope it's a DC theme. Like,
even though a lot of people are like, oh no, DC.
Yeah, I mean, Wonder Woman wouldn't be bad in this area. Wouldn't be bad at all. But yeah, so we just gotta wait until August 30th till they make their announcement, and you can bet I'll be covering it. So yeah. Alright guys, we're here in Looney Tunes Seaport, or actually we're going to the Safari Kids right now. We just got off a Roadrunner Railway. Jason, what did you think of the ride today?
Oh, it's horrible.
It really wasn't too good.
But it's not as bad as normal.
Yeah, not as bad as normal, but I had to sit in the very back. I had the pleasure of sitting in the very back. And let me just say, it wasn't fun, okay?
And they didn't let you sit in the middle of the T-bar?
Yeah, so we were stuck on the one
do.
side, and
Yo,
it's...
hurts.
I'm gonna be honest, the one at Six Flags America, Great Chase is a lot better.
Yeah.
Out of the three, like, Zamperla Kiddie Coaster I've ridden, yeah, America is my favorite. Like, the worst I've been on is the one over at, what's up?
Can we go back to the locker and get my stuff?
Yeah, let's go do that. So actually, we're just gonna go back to the locker real quick. But I'm also gonna talk about what I want to see here in the future. I mentioned this in my 2019 video. No, I'm not going on Bugaboo, dude. There's no way. I'm not riding that. I would
love to get a video if you want that.
Dude, how cool would it be if they added flying scooters where this show is?
Hell yeah.
That'd be so nice. And like, if you can snap them, it'd be really good. That's what I want to see in this area.
You don't want Canada's Wonderland flyers though. They don't.
Oh no, none of those.
Like those actually go like the lowest speed.
That's stupid.
And they're also in Camp Planet Snoopy, so that explains a lot.
Yeah. But the one that King's Dominion isn't actually in Planet Snoopy. It's in a completely different area of the park. I think it's in Old Virginia. Pretty sure. But I never get the chance to do that. I really want it in the future. But yeah, so we're going to get Jason's stuff, and I'm going to go get a ride on Skull Mountain. I'll see you guys later on. Okay guys, we're over here by the log flume. You can see something actually is going on. The logs got jammed and the water's overflowing. You can see a maintenance worker over there. Yeah, I'm really confused to what's going on, but something happened like this on Zoom Flume when we were over at Maury's Piers the other day. But yeah, that's what's going on. Skyscreamer's running Cycle 2 today, which is awesome. And,
what's your opinion on what happened?
I don't know, Jason. What is it, man?
I don't know either.
I don't know. Oh, they're dispatching a log. It's unusual to see the log flume like this. Oh, they fixed it. Alright guys, we are back. It's definitely been a while. So we got on Bizarro once, El Toro twice, and also Runaway Train once. And Joe's finally here now. So how you been, Joe?
Good.
How's
Yeah.
the music and tatters?
Good.
Yeah. So no, I'm really happy. Like, they're getting an awesome new B&M dive coaster over at Canada's Wonderland. So they'll have something to look forward to.
It's awesome until the mid-course.
Yeah, like after the mid-course, it's really not too good. But yeah, we're going through Bugs Bunny National Park right now. We're going over to get like night rides on Cyborg, right?
Yep.
Yes, that's what we're doing. Because Jason is Mr. Cyborg, so he's really looking forward to that. Also, I think that if Justice League is a long line, we should definitely get some rides on that, and we should also do Dark Knight, Batman, and get Last Ride of the Night on Nitro.
Yep.
That'd be really cool, right, Joe?
Probably.
Yeah. Sorry if it's hard to see. It's just like this area is not.
Yo.
Yo, what's going on?
I'm joining the music inside his live stream.
Oh my God, no. Oh no. Oh, okay. Anyway, though.
Hey guys.
That's all, folks. Anyway, though. So, yeah, it's really hard to see the actual sign, but that's the sign for Bugs Bunny National Park. So, anyway, what do you think of today so far, Joe? Pretty good?
Really good. Mine weren't too bad.
Yo, this actually looks really cool. Blood count. For what do you call it?
Yukon Striker?
Yeah, also.
Yukon Striker, I actually really like the name. Oh, there's dogs over there. That's nice. Yeah, I really like the name Yukon Striker. It's unique. My one problem with... Yeah, it's definitely better than Valraven because people can actually pronounce the name Yukon Striker. So, yeah, but... I really like how, like, how they did with what they did with the arcade, how they redid it, got the new tent. If only they can actually do something with the red tent, because they only use it for, I believe. Oh yeah, it's not, right? I don't know. Hopefully they do something with it. But anyway, guys, we're going over to get night rides on Cyborg, and we'll see you guys once we get off.
So, everyone, Cyborg is closed. Justice League's closed. We come over here. You're laying down on the ground. This park literally closed it before the ERT is supposed to start. We're like fanboying over it, like, oh no, we're not gonna be able to ride. And Melissa over here, she comes up to us, you guys want to go ERT? And we got these wristbands now, so we're gonna ride this, and he's gonna get his 200th ride on Justice League.
Let's do it. We also got on Dark Knight 1, so let's do it, guys.
At 9:40 now.
I'm leaving at 10, dude.
At 10. There's no way.
Let's do it, guys. Anyway, we'll see you guys after the ERT. Okay guys, Jason's heading out of the park. Thanks for coming today, man.
See ya.
See you, Jason. And it's time to get my 200th ride on Justice League. Let's go.
Bye, James.
Bye, Felicia. Alright guys, we are currently in line to get my 200th ride on Justice League. So yeah, I rode it 5 times so far today. See my 6th time today, and ride number 200. Let's go. Alright guys, I just got off of Justice League. I got my 200th ride. I cannot believe I just got my 200th ride on this amazing dark ride. It's definitely been a blast, and I'm heading out of the park right now. So yeah guys, it's been a great day today, and yeah, so I just had a blast at the park. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.